Healthy hair grows naturally from strong hair follicles. Each strand of hair follows a natural growth cycle. Hair follicles remain active and produce new hair regularly. This cycle maintains thickness and density. A healthy scalp supports consistent hair growth. Hair appears full, strong, and evenly distributed. Balanced growth creates a natural hairline. The scalp remains covered and protected. Hair density contributes to overall appearance. This is a normal and healthy condition. Over time, hair follicles may weaken. This can lead to gradual hair thinning. Hair strands become finer and weaker. Some follicles stop producing hair. This results in visible hair loss. Hairline may begin to recede. Scalp becomes more exposed. Hair density decreases over time. Certain areas may show noticeable thinning. Hair loss can vary from mild to severe. The condition may progress gradually. Hair growth becomes uneven. Confidence may be affected. Professional evaluation becomes important. A solution can be considered. A specialist examines the scalp carefully. Hair density is analyzed in detail. Healthy donor areas are identified. The pattern of hair loss is evaluated. A personalized treatment plan is created. Hair transplant is introduced as an option. The process is explained clearly. Expected results are discussed. Preparation begins for the procedure. The patient feels confident about the plan. The procedure begins in a controlled setting. Hair follicles are selected from donor area. Follicles are carefully extracted. Each graft is preserved safely. The target area is prepared. Small placement points are created. Hair grafts are positioned precisely. Each follicle is aligned naturally. The process continues step by step. The process continues step by step. Hairline is carefully designed. Natural angles are followed. Density is built gradually. The placement ensures realistic results. The procedure remains smooth and controlled. All grafts are positioned successfully. The scalp appears evenly covered. The process is completed carefully. The treated area is stable. Healing begins after the procedure. The scalp begins natural recovery. Hair follicles settle into place. Growth cycle gradually restarts. New hair begins to emerge. Hair growth improves over time. Density increases gradually. Hair becomes stronger and thicker. The scalp regains natural appearance. Results continue to improve. Full growth develops over time. Hairline appears natural and balanced. Hair density looks restored. The scalp appears fully covered. Hair growth looks uniform. The overall appearance improves. Confidence increases significantly. Daily life feels more comfortable. Hair functions naturally again. The result appears realistic and permanent. Hair transplant restores both appearance and confidence.